Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. I'm Suhaizi Ramli from Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak. Today I would like to present a research titled The Efficiency of Final Semester Examination Simulation Method in Achieving at least 20 marks, a case study on Engineering Mathematics 2 student at Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak. In this presentation, I would like to explain about introduction, statement of problem, research objective and scope, literature review, methodology result and analysis, and conclusion. I would like to start with introduction. Engineering Mathematics 1 and Engineering Mathematics 2 are courses in the field of engineering at Politeknik Malaysia. I discuss this concept and technique that are applicable to various engineering disciplines. Engineering Mathematics 2 introduce students to the discipline of index, logarithm, differentiation and integration, enabling them to solve problems related to finding maximum and minimum point and also rate of change. This course focus on the use of the differentiation and integration method for problem solving involving areas and volume of bounded region. In order to successfully complete the Engineering Mathematics 2 course, students must fulfill evaluation requirement. This requirement entails scoring a minimum of 40 marks in the coursework evaluation and achieving 20 marks in the final semester examination. To assist students in attaining to the 20 mark, a method known as the final semester exam simulation has been implemented. This simulation approach involving utilizing computer program or model to replicate a real-world situation, enabling experimentation and analysis without conducting experiment. Simulation is a tool that researchers, engineers, scientists, and decision makers rely on to investigate scenarios, analyze intricate systems, evaluate the impact of different variables, and make well-informed decisions before implementing change into the real world. It offers a controlled environment to test hypotheses, comprehend system behavior, and anticipate outcome while minimizing the risks and expenses associated with the real-world experiment. Overall, the inclusion of the final semester exam simulation method in the Engineering Mathematics 2 courses demonstrate an innovative approach to enhance student preparedness and performance in the final examination, ultimately contributing to their success in their engineering studies at Polytechnic Malaysia. Now we go to statement of problem. First, the faculty of different to get 20 marks in Engineering Mathematics 2 final semester examination. And second, students who do not get 20 marks on the final semester examination will fail this course and must repeat it the following semester. The main objective of this research is to identify the effectiveness of using the final semester examination simulation method in achieving 20 marks in the final semester examination. The scope for this research is, and this study only involves students of Engineering Mathematics 2 Season 1 2022-2023 to Season 2 2022-2023 at Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak, and the final semester examination score that is considered is the score after being keyed into the Polytechnic Information Management System I-exam. Next, I will explain the literature review. Polytechnic education in Malaysia. Polytechnic education in Malaysia has played a vital role in providing technical and vocational training to cater to the need of semi-professional workers in various fields, including engineering, commerce, and services. In response to the growing need for skilled workers and to provide more educational opportunities, the Cabinet Committee certificate on training in 1991 paved the way for the establishment of additional polytechnic and the expansion of study program. The development and expansion of polytechnic education in Malaysia reflect the government commitment to fostering a skilled and competent workforce. Polytechnic have become instrumental in providing technical and vocational education, contributing significantly to the nation's industrial and economic progress. Mathematics as a core course in engineering student at Malaysia Polytechnic. All engineering diploma students are required to take the core course known as engineering mathematics or calculus. These concepts are essential for engineers to analyze, model, and solve complex engineering problems. Analytical and problem-solving skill. Calculus equips students with analytical and problem-solving skill, enabling them to apply mathematical methods to analyze engineering systems and design solutions effectively. Mastery of calculus is crucial for students to succeed in high-level courses that dive deeper into engineering concepts. Proficiency in calculus enables students to make accurate calculations and draw conclusions from numerical data. In conclusion, mathematics, specifically engineering mathematics or calculus, play a crucial role in education of engineering diploma students at the Polytechnic. It serves as a foundational course that equips further engineers with the necessary analytical, problem-solving, and mathematical skills to excel in their chosen engineering discipline and contribute effectively to engineering profession. Engineering Mathematics 2 at Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak. Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak (PKS) has a significant role in providing diploma-level education in various engineering disciplines. The engineering program offered at PKS that require pass of Engineering Mathematics 2 are as follows: Diploma in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Building Services Engineering, Diploma in Geomatics, Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Diploma in Electronic Engineering Communication, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Automotive, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Manufacturing, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Air Conditioning and Refrigeration, and Diploma in Process Engineering Petrochemistry. Requirement for passing mark by Department of Polytechnic Education and Community College. In the letter of instruction date 18 February 2023, the Department of Polytechnic Education and Community College had determined the passing mark necessary to meet the requirement of the SIG program standard. Final examination, 20% mark. To pass this subject or course, students are required to achieve a minimum of 40% in both continuous assessment and final assessment. This passing mark has been extended to all programs to help lecturers and students prepare for the improvement of all program standards. By passing both continuous assessment and final assessment will become a requirement. Jabatan Pendidikan Politeknik and College Community 2023. Assessment for this engineering mathematics course is divided into 60% coursework and 40% final semester examination based on the passing mark determined by the Department of Polytechnic Education and College Community. 40% for continuous assessment and 40% for final assessment, and another 20% for final examination. A method has been devised and implemented to help students achieve at least 20 marks in the final semester examination. Simulation. Simulation is a model of a set of problems or events that can be used to one how to do something or the process of the making such as a model. Simulation in the context of education are instructional scenario where learners are placed in a controlled visual environment that mimic real-world situation or system. The purpose of this simulation is to create a safe and immersive learning experience. where students can interact with the simulated environment, make decisions, and observe the consequences of their action. Using simulation as a method of strengthening the technique of answering final semester examination questions can be a valuable and effective approach. Simulation provides a practical and interactive learning experience that allows students to apply their knowledge, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills in a controlled environment. To effectively use simulation for exam preparation, educators can integrate them into the curriculum, provide guidance on how to approach the simulation, and facilitate discussion afterward to reinforce key concepts and lesson learned. Additionally, incorporating simulation as a regular part of the learning process throughout the semester can help students build their skills gradually, making them better prepared for the final examination. For overall, using simulation as a method to strengthen exam as answering technique can lead to a more comprehensive and practical understanding of the subject, resulting in improved performance during the final semester examination. Next, I will explain about methodology. A case study is a detailed analysis of a specific subject such as a person, group, location, event, business, or phenomenon. Quantitative approach emphasizes accurate measurement and the statistical mathematics or numerical analysis of data gained through survey, poll, and other types of research, as well as manipulation of previously obtained statistical data using computational technologies. The analysis is used to determine the efficiency of the final semester examination simulation method in obtaining at least 20 marks was based on data from Engineering Mathematics 2 student final semester examination mark. I will explain about result and analysis. A comparison of pass percentage according to gender has been made. Please refer to the figure 7.1. The female student pass percentage are greater than the male. The causes for the disparities in pass percent mark between male and female students can be linked to a variety of issues, and it is important to note that these factors might vary based on the individual setting and education system. Some probable factors for why female students are pass percentage are occasionally greater than the male students are: differential motivation, discipline study habit, behavioral differences, peer influence, teacher bias, focus on pursuing higher education and career objectives, psychological factor, cultural and sociological norm. A comparison of percentage achievement of final semester examination marked by semester have been made. From figure 7.2, it clearly shows the percentage achieving at least 20 marks in the final exam show an increase in semester 2 2022-2023. There is an increase of 32.9% show the effectiveness of using simulation method in improving student achievement. A comparison of the achievement final semester examination mark according to program for Season 1 2022 and 2023 and Season 2 2022-2023 has been made. Figure 7.3 comparison show that out of the 10 programs involved, only one program show a decrease in the achievement of the mark, which is a diploma in mechanical engineering, air conditioning and refrigeration program. One of the factors that influence this situation is the tight final exam schedule, causing students to focus less on the preparing for the final exam. Other factors such as a different teaching method, instructor effectiveness, and student engagement can all contribute to variation in exam result. However, the success of other nine program has proven that the success of using the final exam simulation method in helping to achieve 20 marks. To address the decrease in achievement for the diploma in mechanical engineering, air conditioning and refrigeration program, it may be necessary to investigate further and consider potential solution. This could involve adjusting the course schedule, providing additional support, or re-evaluate the teaching method used in that specific program to help improve student performance. A comparison of the achievement final semester examination mark according to department for session 1 2022-2023 and session 2 2022-2023 has been made. From the figure 7.4, the increase in achievement for all involved departments also prove the ability of the final exam simulation program, which successfully helped students achieve 20 marks in the final exam. This suggests that the method has been effective in helping students achieve at least 20 marks in the final exam. To maintain and enhance the success of the method, it's important to continue monitoring and evaluating its impact on student performance. This may involve collecting feedback from students and instructors, making adjustments as necessary, and ensuring that the program remains relevant and effective in helping students succeed in their final exam. Conclusion. For conclusion, this method also provides students with the opportunity to identify and practice any area of difficulty in their coursework so that they can work on them before the examination. The final semester examination simulation method helps to ensure that students can get the most out of their studies and achieve the best possible mark in their examination. The final semester examination simulation method is a great way to ensure that the students are able to achieve at least 20 marks in their final exam. This method involves mock examination, which are designed to simulate the actual examination environment and setting. And last conclusion, this method helps students to become familiar with the type of question they will be facing and also provide an opportunity to practice answering question in a time setting. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.